In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Supabase system health status, step by step 2026. Let's start by heading to supabase.com in your browser. This is the home base for everything we're about to do. Once you're there, sign into your account. Click sign in, choose your usual method, and complete any prompts. If your team uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow the quick on-screen steps. That's it for login. After signing in, you'll land on your main Supabase dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Here, make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you're part of multiple teams. You can switch organizations from the organization selector, and this ensures you're looking at the right set of projects and resources. With the correct organization selected, choose the project whose health you want to check. If you've created multiple projects, you'll see them listed here. Select the one you need. If you're brand new, you can create a project first and then return to the overview. Once a project exists, the health information will show up in its dashboard. Inside the project overview, look for the status section. This is a quick snapshot of your project's current health. When everything is running smoothly, you'll typically see a healthy indicator. If there's a partial issue or an outage, that will be reflected here as well. So it's an immediate way to understand whether your application's backend is behaving normally. To go deeper, click the status to expand the detailed view. Here, Supabase breaks down the health of the major components that power your app. You'll see items like database, which represents your Postgres instance and its availability. Postgres, which powers the REST API layer on top of your database. Auth, which handles user sign-in, sign-out, and session management, and real-time, which enables live subscriptions and streaming updates. You may also see additional services depending on your setup. Each line shows whether that specific subsystem is healthy or experiencing issues, so you can pinpoint exactly where a problem might be coming from. If a component isn't marked healthy, take a moment to see whether it's a transient blip or an ongoing issue. Sometimes a quick refresh after a minute will update the indicators. You can also correlate what you see here with any recent changes you've made, like migrations or configuration updates, to better understand the context. And that's all you need. By opening Supabase, signing in, selecting the right organization and project, and expanding the status panel, you can confidently verify your project's system health and identify any component that needs attention.